When I call, you hear me. When I cry, you see me. In the darkness, you are near. Lord, I know you're here. When my strength is fading, when my heart is breaking, I will lift my voice and say, Jesus, have your way. You hear my prayer.